In this quick tutorial, I am going to show you how to be smooth in Photoshop. Go to the Photoshop menu bar window option, then choose Layer. Then Layer Copy. I am going to rename layer Color and Texture. And hold texture layer, go to Photoshop menu bar filter option, then choose blur to Gaussian blur and keep radius 2 or 3. And go to the select option and choose apply image. Follow the setting. Normal to linear light. And choose mixer brush tool. Follow the setting. Layer copy. Again go to the Photoshop menu bar filter option, then choose blur to Gaussian blur. Ctrl Alt Shift E, created output layer. Ctrl G, group others layer. Again go to the Photoshop menu bar filter option, then choose blur to Gaussian blur. Ctrl I inverse. And choose brush tool. Thanks for watching and I will see you on the next video.